In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your microphone is not working properly on your HP laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing it be to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. Scrolling down underneath input, select the microphone device you're having the problem with, and then make sure this information is correct here. So you want to have audio set to turned on, obviously. So if this is don't allow, that's fine. That means you or have the correct setting enabled. You may also need to adjust the input format level or setting here. The input volume is a big thing here, so you want to make sure that's turned up to the right, because if it's muted, obviously you're not going to hear your microphone. You can also perform a test on your microphone by selecting the Start Test option, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial on how to resolve your microphone issues on your HP device. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.